Welcome to the best picks. The best bathtub drain is probably one of the most overlooked components in your bathroom, but a faulty one can quickly turn your relaxing soak into a frustrating plumbing problem. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bathtub drain assemblies, exploring the key features to look for, and helping you choose the perfect replacement to restore your bathroom's functionality and peace of mind. Number 5. Eastman Lift and Turn Drain Kit. This bathtub drain kit is a simple way to refresh your bathroom. It's easy to install and will give your tub a modern look. It's made of durable brass for long-lasting use. The chrome finish will complement your existing fixtures. This kit is designed to fit most standard drains. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the adjustable design. You'll receive everything you need: a 1-to-1 2-inch drain, a body flange, and a washer. Everything is included for a complete replacement. It features a user-friendly lift and turn mechanism. Enjoy effortless operation every time you use your tub. This kit is designed for simple installation. You'll have your new drain installed in minutes. What we like? It's built to last with its durable brass construction and will fit most drains. The lift and turn mechanism is super easy to use. If you need a reliable and user-friendly bathtub drain, this is the one for you. What people say. Worked perfectly for replacing a 1970s equivalent. Fit like a glove. Very strong construction. My old drain assembly was over 23-year-old and was bubbling and corroding. With some effort I unscrewed it, cleaned up the drain area and installed this new drain assembly. I wanted one that fit without an adapter and was solid metal. Last thing I want is some dried out plastic piece breaking off inside the pipe. Used plumber's putty for the underside of the edge and pipe door for the threads. 1 to 7/8 inch OD and 11.5 TPI, thread per inch, looks great. I noticed the markings and country of manufacture are all the same as the more expensive Moen drain I replaced. This is a direct screw on with no adapter. Number 4. Westbrass 593144 Tub Drain Kit. Upgrade your bathroom with this stylish and functional drain kit. It's designed for a perfect fit and leak-free performance. It features heavy-duty metal trim and 1-to-1 2-inch polypropylene tubes for lasting quality. The slip joint washer seal ensures a watertight fit. This kit includes an ADA-approved tiptoe drain plug for easy operation. Just press once to close and again to open. Installation is a breeze with the included 2-hole faceplate and matching screws. All the necessary components are provided for a seamless fit. Everything you need is included: tubes, drain plug, faceplate, screws, elbow, shoe, and T. It's a complete solution for your tub drain replacement. The kit's matte black finish adds a touch of modern elegance to your bathroom. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality. What we like? This stylish matte black drain will add a modern touch to your bathroom. It's ADA approved for accessibility and features a leak-proof design. If you value style, accessibility, and a worry-free installation, this is a great option. What people say. Unhook old pipes, put new pipes in. Looks great and seems good quality. Item is sturdy and of really nice quality. Looks great in my bathroom. The headline answered the first question that enters most people's minds. There is plenty adjustment to compensate for drain overflow variances and even some angle offset. They are a non-ferrous material, assume brass copper, and are stout with good appearance and quality threading and fitment. Number 3. Westbrass 593244-07 Tub Waste. Upgrade your bathroom with this stylish and functional tub waste assembly. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting durability. It features heavy-duty metal trim and white polypropylene tubes for lasting performance. The slip joint connections ensure a secure and leak-free installation. This innovative drain is ADA approved, making it easy to operate with just a gentle press. Open and close it effortlessly with the tiptoe mechanism. The 2-hole faceplate complements any bathroom decor. It comes with matching screws for a seamless, polished look. Everything you need is included: the elbow, shoe, T, and faceplate. It's a complete and easy-to-install solution. This assembly is designed for simple installation. The clear instructions and included components make the process quick and straightforward. What we like. The clean white finish will brighten up your bathroom, and the design is ADA approved for accessibility. It's also easy to install. If you are looking for an accessible and easy to install drain with a fresh look, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Had everything I needed. This was exactly what I needed. I couldn't find the right finish in polyethylene locally. I used a Kohler trim kit for the rest of the tub and you'd never know they were different manufacturers. Good product, no issues. Like the quick connect fittings. Number 2. Westbrass Tiptoe Bath Waist. Upgrade your bathroom with this stylish and functional bath waist. It's easy to install and built to last. It is made from durable Schedule 40 ABS material, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion. The matte black finish adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Its 2-hole faceplate complements various bathroom styles. The tiptoe drain plug allows for smooth and quiet operation. Simply press down to drain and lift to stop. It comes with everything you need for a quick and easy installation, including ABS tubes, elbow, shoe, and T. No extra parts needed. This bath waist is designed for long-term use and is built to withstand daily wear and tear. What we like. This matte black drain is made from durable ABS material and is simple to install. It's a great value option. If you are on a budget and need a reliable, easy-to-install drain, this is a good choice. What people say. Works and looks great, and it came with the T and pipe. The fixtures were built just right. My original plumbing was old, brass, copper and steel. Having the toe stopper, which I didn't have originally, is wonderful. Overflow was perfect. We did have to cut it down to fit and had no problems with it. Number 1. Westbrass Y593244CP Bath Waist. This bath waist assembly is designed for convenience and style. It features a sleek design and is ADA approved for accessibility. It's built to last with heavy-duty metal trim and high-quality materials. You can trust it for years of reliable performance. The slip joint connections make installation a breeze. It's designed for a quick and simple setup. This innovative drain plug is ADA approved, making it easy to operate. Just press once to close and again to open. Its polished chrome finish adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. It complements any bathroom decor. Everything you need is included: tubes, faceplate, screws, elbow, shoe, and T. It's a complete and ready-to-install solution. What we like. This polished chrome drain adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom and is ADA approved for accessibility. It's built to last. If you want a luxurious and accessible drain that will stand the test of time, this is the one for you. What people say. Licensed contractor. Used it to replace a horrible old tub drain that was eaten up by chemicals and was a bear to remove, worst one ever. This went in nicely to a 15 years old fiberglass surround tub. It did not require any adjustment. Our tub was leaking from its old seals and T-connectin. The connection was metal to PVC and we didn't want to deal with metal plumbing. We obviously aren't plumbers, so we just switched it to all PVC. The instructions were simple and the product works and looks much better than what we had. No leaks and the push plug works great. This is my first bathtub replacement. Being a handyman of sorts, I have never called a plumber. With this thing, no problem. Installed it on a Delta Styla 54-inch alcove tub. It's a bit thinner than Schedule 40, but that made it a little more flexible when I needed flexibility. Still, it's strong enough. Installation was smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.